Good morning, children. Today we are going to talk about English lesson of class 2, Day Out at the Zoo. Children, you have already gone to so many places for a picnic, or maybe through the school or with your parents. You have gone for any outing, maybe on a Sunday or maybe during your vacation time or holidays. Yes, children, correct. So here also in this story there is a Mr. Jane and Mr. Roy. So they have taken the children to visit a zoo. So this is a day out at the zoo. They are going to spend the whole day in the zoo, children. Very nice and exciting, no? Yes, I am sure. It is a Sunday morning. Mr. Jane and Mr. Roy took their children, Rahul, Tina and Rohit, to the zoo. The children were very excited. What is excited, children? You are very happy and excited. Yes, you want to see what is it you are going to see, where you are going to see, what type of animals you are going to see. You are so excited. Yes, so they are so happy and excited. And this was their first visit to the zoo. They have not been to the zoo up till now. So first time they are going to the zoo. So they are very excited. So what did they see when they went inside? As soon as they entered the zoo, big gates, they bought a ticket and they have gone inside. So what did happen? They saw a very beautiful, pretty peacock. It had beautiful feathers and it was dancing. Have you seen a peacock dancing? No. Sometime you might have seen on the TV or something, but real peacock, it was dancing in front of their eyes, children. So beautiful, nice, pretty peacock was dancing with, and it has lovely, beautiful feathers. All the feathers were opened like a fan. Yes, children, you have seen peacocks. Yes. So the children were very excited. Rahul, Tina and Rohit, everybody was staring. Wow, beautiful peacock. So children, they were so happy watching the peacock. Then all of a sudden, they heard a big roar. Yes, big sound. A lion. It was a lion. The children ran towards it. It was a very big lion and it was in a cage. A big iron structure. It was inside a cage and the lion was roaring and walking up and down. The children were watching. Rahul, Tina and Rohit were watching. They saw the lion, big lion, roaring and inside the cage. Yes, you know about lions, children? Yes. How is the lion? The lion is the king of the jungle. Yes, and it walks very nicely like a king, majestically. So it can run fast, it can hunt, and it is always roaring very loudly. So the children were scared, but at the same time they saw so big size lion. What you can't go to the jungle to see, but you can see them in the zoo. So children were watching. Big lion. Then Tina was looking at the animal. Tina felt it must be sad to be in a cage. So what did Tina say? It must be sad for the lion to be inside a cage. Rahul and Rohit, they were also watching. They also thought so. Yes, the lion was sad. Why was the lion sad? Why did they feel like that? Because lion is the king of jungle. It likes to run freely, roam around in the jungle. It will be hunting, running, catching big animals, small animals, eating them and looking after the families of so many lions. So the lion was free in the jungle. But here in the cage it was closed. So lion was feeling sad. That is what Tina felt. So Tina felt and said, lion is a bit sad sitting in the cage. Rahul and Rohit also agreed. Yes, lion looks little sad. Soon the children were feeling very hungry. They went around to see some other cages and then they felt very hungry. So when they felt hungry, what did their parents tell them? Mr. Roy and Mr. Jane, he told them, okay children, sit here in one place. All the children was told to sit there. You sit here, we will go and bring food and water for you. Don't move from there. So they were told not to get up from there, sit there. But the three children were very excited when they came. They wanted to see the animals. They wanted to see different varieties. So what did they do? They did not listen to the parent. All the three children wanted to see the other animals also in the zoo. So they forgot what their parents had asked them to do. They did not listen to the parents. They went away from there. They were not sitting there. They went away and they started seeing all the different cages. This cage, that animal, like that. So they forgot what their parents had asked them to do and they walked around the zoo to see the other animals, which is very bad, children. Children, you should always listen to your parents. You should not get up and walk away like that, which Tina, Rahul and Rohit have done. Very bad. You should always listen to your parents. Whenever they tell you, you should always listen to the elders. When the parents came back, they did not find the children anywhere. So parents were very worried. Mr. Roy and Mr. Jayan, they started looking, where are my children? Where have they gone? They were sitting here. They brought the food and water. They were not there. So they were very worried. They ran to the zookeeper's office for help. So when you go to the zookeeper's office, there's an office there. You can go and tell them that so and so is missing. Where are my children? They can at least announce the mic and they can help you by bringing back. So they went to the zookeeper's office for help. The 3 children went from one cage to another cage and they were seeing this animal. Then they went and saw giraffe, foxes, bears, so many other animals were there. Cage by cage they were walking. They did not even remember that their parents told them they are supposed to sit there. They went, they were so excited. This cage, that cage, they were seeing all the other animals in a line all through the zoo. They saw very, very naughty monkeys also. The monkeys were feeding on bananas and peanuts. So they were watching how the monkeys were playing and making everybody laugh. They saw a big mama tiger which was playing with a small baby tiger. The mother was looking after the baby. They could see that big tiger also inside the cage. Then after that they saw 2 big elephants. What were the elephants doing? They were taking in the water in the trunk and washing themselves. Yes, they saw as the elephants taking a bath. Very nice. They were very excited to see that. They also saw black bears. They saw crocodiles and a very tall giraffe. So they were seeing different animals, and by the time they finished the whole zoo, they reached the zookeeper's office. It was a whole big area. So by the time they reached, the children soon reached the zookeeper's office. They saw their parents there. They saw them and then they ran towards them. And what did the parents do? They scolded them. Yes, children, scolding. You get a scolding if you don't listen to your elders or your parents or your teacher. Yes or no? Very bad. You have to listen to your elders. So they got a scolding from their parent, Mr. Roy and Mr. Jain. They told them, we told you to sit there. So the children got a scolding from their fathers. It is very bad, children. You have to listen to your parents. So the parents scolded them for not listening to them. So what did the children do? They said, I am sorry. You should learn to apologize, children. Whenever you did something wrong, always remember to say sorry to your mother, father or elders. First of all, you should listen to them. And if you make a mistake also, learn to say sorry to them. So the children said sorry. Then they promised that they will always listen to their parents. So children, always when you say sorry also, you should promise that you will not repeat the mistake. You will not do the same thing again. Yes, children, it is a very good habit. You have to promise saying that I will not do this again and always listen to your parents. Then they told their parents all about the animals. Then they told, yes, we did not listen, we are sorry, and we promise that we will listen to you again. But what did they do? They told, we went and saw all the cages of animals. We saw the different varieties of animals inside the zoo. Then everybody was very happy that they have seen all the animals. Everybody laughed. They were so happy. It was time to go home. But the children promised that they would come back again because they were so excited. They wanted to see all the animals in the zoo again. So what did they do? They promised they would come back again and visit the zoo and see the animals again. Yes, children, this is the complete lesson which you have done. Now let me see if I can read the whole lesson for you again. So this time I am not going to tell you what is happening. You have to just understand and remember what I told you. Day out at the zoo. On a Sunday morning, Mr. Jain, Mr. Roy took the children Rahul, Tina and Rohit to the zoo. The children were very excited. This was their first visit to the zoo. As soon as they entered, they saw a pretty peacock. It had beautiful feathers. It was dancing. All of a sudden, they heard a roar. It was a lion. The children ran towards it. It was a big lion. It was in a cage. It must be sad to be in a cage, said Tina. Rahul and Rohit thought so too. Soon the children were hungry. Mr. Jain and Mr. Roy asked them to be right where they were and went to buy some food and water. But the three children wanted to see the other animals too. They forgot what their parents had asked them to do. They walked around the zoo to see the other animals. When the parents came back, they did not find the children anywhere. They were worried. They ran to the zookeeper's office for help. The three children went from one animal's cage to another. They saw naughty monkeys feeding on bananas and peanuts. They saw a mama tiger playing with a baby tiger. They saw two elephants. They were taking in water in their trunk and washing themselves. They also saw bears and crocodiles and a tall giraffe. The children soon reached the zookeeper's office. Their parents saw them and ran towards them. They scolded them for not listening to them. The children said sorry. They promised to always listen to their parents. Then they told their parents all about the animals. Everybody laughed. It was time to go home, but the children promised that they would come back again. So children, this is a very important lesson about zoo. So see that you also visit a zoo in your wherever you are living. Find out where is a zoo and see that on a Sunday you take your parents, your friends or cousins also, and everybody go see the zoo and enjoy it, children. So let us now talk about the question answers. You have understood the different words and the lesson. Where did Mr. Jain and Mr. Roy take the children one Sunday? So I am sure you can answer this question, children. Yes. Answer is right. You have already known that is the name. So the parents have taken the children to the zoo. Yes. So you have to say Mr. Jain and Mr. Roy took the children to the zoo on one Sunday. What did the children first see in the zoo? So as soon as they entered the zoo, what did they see first, right in the beginning? Yes. What did they see? They saw a pretty peacock with beautiful feathers. Yes, it was dancing. So what did the children see first in the zoo? The children saw a pretty peacock dancing in the zoo. Yes. Then what did the fathers go to buy? They made the children sit. So what did the fathers go to buy? Yes. The fathers went to buy food and water for the children. Right. Everybody knows the answer. You have gone through the lesson. Okay. What were the monkeys eating in the zoo? When they came to the cage, you remember Tina, Rahul and Rohit were standing near the monkeys. What were the monkeys eating? That is the answer. What were the monkeys eating? The monkeys were eating banana and peanuts. Yes, very nice. So children, see that you go through the lesson again, learn the new words, understand them, learn the spellings and see that you can answer all the questions at the end of the lesson. Thank you.